Okay guys, we're still at the IWF Chef Show here at the Salice booth. Salice. And we're going to show the Salice new drawer guide that they have. It's a progressive drawer guide with rack and pinion. So there's a little bit of rack and pinion mechanism in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that makes the drawer a little bit more sequential. And they've upgraded this drawer guide for the soft close, so the soft close is a little different than the previous versions. And as usual, you'll get a 6-way clip. This is their 6-way clip, and this is nice for you guys to see where this is how the clip kind of works. If you squeeze both and pull, it disengages it, and underneath there's the adjustments to adjust the drawer guides. So this is their newest drawer guide, and here's another one with a deeper drawer, and we'll see you in the next video. And Salice has this closet system with these glass shelves. We can order these shelves for you guys through Salice, which will take about 2-3 months to come in, or we actually have our own system that you can order glass shelves from us. And here's one other way to show it. Made it really easy. So basically the way the system works is you get a general cabinet and you order these shelves in with all the accessories. And through Cabinets Quick, we can work with Salice to order all these accessories in. They're a little expensive and they come from Italy. But if you want a really nice high-end closet like this,